In this video, I want to talk about how you would construct a congruent angle. Remember from our earlier work in constructions, all we are allowed to use is a compass and a straight edge. Not a ruler, not something that measures, but a straight edge. So obviously when you say, well, constructing a congruent angle, the temptation would be to just drag out a protractor, measure the angle, and then drag it to another spot and remake that line. But that would be using a tool that we're not supposed to use. So what you see in this is, number one, I have an angle created, and then I have a line. And I'm going to create a congruent angle using that line as kind of my base. So first off, I'm going to drag in my compass. And to be honest, this first point that I'm going to draw, it's kind of an arbitrary arc. It really doesn't matter where you put it. I'll explain that in a second. So let's just kind of, okay, here we go. We're drawing that. Now we're going to go over to our line, and we're going to put it at the same spot and just do the same exact arc. Okay, so we've got this arc in the same spot. Now I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to use my compass to measure the distance between the two intersection spots, you know, of my original angle, where my arc intersected my original angle on both line segments. Then I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to draw the arc. Again, just use my compass to measure that length, and then replicated that length on my other line segment. Let me move this out of the way. And now I'm going to take a straight edge, and I'm going to draw a line from my original point to where those two arcs intersect. And what I have done now is created a congruent angle. And let me explain here why we know that that is true. And you may not have gotten this far in your geometry course yet, but that's okay. What we know to be true is that this line and this line are the same length because we used our compass to ensure it. We know that this line and this line are the same length because we used our compass to ensure it. And in that, we've now created almost like a triangle where these lengths are also in common because we used our compass to ensure that those arcs were the same. So we've created two triangles that are exactly the same, and if those triangles are the same, then so are the angles inside them. So we have constructed a congruent angle. And again, the reason that first line was kind of arbitrary is it really wouldn't matter what this length was, this initial length right here, because even if we'd started out here when we drew our arc, it would have been the same here, and then we would have redrawn it here to be the same. We created essentially an isosceles triangle. Okay, so that's how we construct a congruent angle. If this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe for more geometry help. Have a great day. Really enjoy it.